Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where every property tells the story of elegance, passion, and pure architectural brilliance. Today, we take you inside one of Arizona's most breathtaking estates, a home that redefines what it means to live in luxury. Nestled in the heart of Mesa's prestigious Legacy Estates, this $4,349,900 masterpiece sits gracefully on 1.78 acres of perfection, an oasis that feels more like a private resort than a residence. As you arrive, the majestic driveway welcomes you through a private gate, leading to manicured grounds surrounded by palm trees and serene fountains. The first glimpse from above reveals a property that looks like it belongs in a dream. A deep blue pool glimmering under the Arizona sun, a lazy river flowing through the yard, water slides sparkling, and fire pits glowing beside outdoor lounges. Every inch of this estate is designed with luxury and leisure in mind, offering a true resort-style experience right at home. Step outside and you'll find an entertainer's paradise, a backyard that feels like a five-star resort. The outdoor kitchen comes alive with a pizza oven, built-in BBQs, wok range, Yoder smoker, and a sleek dining area under covered patios. Friends gather around the fire features, laughter echoes across the pool, and every sunset paints the property with a warm golden glow. This is the kind of place where memories aren't made once, they're made every day. Inside, the home opens into a grand living area that instantly takes your breath away. Soaring ceilings adorned with intricate wood beams, Cantera stone fireplaces, and massive glass windows flood the rooms with light. The open floor plan connects seamlessly to every space, giving the entire home a feeling of freedom and connection. This is a living space designed not just for comfort, but for admiration, where every detail speaks of craftsmanship, elegance, and taste. At the heart of the mansion lies the gourmet kitchen, the true centerpiece of the home. Here, Viking stainless steel appliances gleam beside rich alder wood cabinets and a massive granite island perfect for gatherings. Morning sunlight pours in through the breakfast nook as you sip your coffee and look out at the lush green landscape. Adjacent to it, the formal dining room glows with sophistication, the perfect stage for elegant dinners or late-night conversations with loved ones. The bedrooms offer a personal retreat of peace and beauty. The master suite stands as a sanctuary, featuring its own private patio, a sitting area, and a spa-like bathroom complete with a freestanding tub, glass shower, and marble floors. Each of the 7 bedrooms is uniquely designed, blending space, light, and serenity. With 9 bathrooms across the property, every guest enjoys the same comfort and privacy as the owner. For those who value productivity and wellness, this mansion delivers more than beauty, it offers purpose. The private gym inspires energy and focus, while the executive office provides the perfect environment to think, plan, and create. The game room adds a touch of fun, turning any ordinary night into a memorable experience. Car enthusiasts will fall in love with the massive 6-car overhead garage, complete with workshop space, a true dream for collectors. Beyond that, the 2-level guest casita offers an entirely separate living experience with its own kitchen, living room, and balcony, ideal for extended family or guests who deserve their own private escape. As day turns to night, the mansion reveals an entirely new personality. The soft glow of the pool lights dances on the water, palm trees shimmer in the breeze, and the air feels calm, peaceful, and full of magic. From the drone's view above, the estate looks like a shining jewel. Against the Arizona desert, timeless, elegant, and alive, this isn't just a property, it's an experience, a legacy, and a dream brought to life. Designed for those who understand that luxury isn't about excess, it's about perfection in every detail. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to American Dream Mansions, where we bring you the most exclusive homes that define elegance, class, and the American dream itself.